This video will demonstrate how to complete an Imacd forms process. Once the engineer has logged onto the portal, they can either click on the Imacd forms tile or click on Imacd forms on the side menu. They are then required to enter in the task number obtained from ServiceNow. The integration will return all the task details for us to confirm. They are then required to select the process type they are busy with. In this example, we are busy with an installation. The process can be completed in 5 easy steps. The intro page has a short welcome and a short description of how to complete the process. We are then required to select the CI we are installing. To select the CI, we can use the search icon and search for the CI we are installing. Once the CI is added to the process, we will need to allocate a user. If the CI is used by multiple users, an individual user is not required. Instead, we can click the multi-user option. We are then required to select the location at which the installation is being done. And enter in a room description. The resolution will update the ServiceNow task when the process is submitted. On the submit page, we need to verify all the details are correct before obtaining a signature. Once submitted, the task on ServiceNow will update through the integration.